Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today we will know about birds and some interesting facts and habitats of some birds. Let's go start. Sparrow, Sparrow, sparrow. Duck, Duck, duck. Owl, owl. Hen, hen. Crow, crow. Now we will learn about some interesting facts about crow. Let's go start. Crows are not only playful and mischievous, but also intelligent birds. They can remember faces for years. They are also known as scavenger birds, as they are responsible for cleaning our environment. Cockatoo, Cockatoo, cockatoo. Macaw, macaw. Nightingale, nightingale. Peacock, peacock. Let's kids. Now it is the time to learn about a beautiful bird, peacock. Let's go start. Peacock is a colorful bird. It is one of the most beautiful birds over the world. It can't fly much height and looks lovely when dances in the rain. Bulbul, bulbul. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Eagle, eagle. Turkey, turkey. Quail, quail. Vulture, vulture. Let's learn about vulture. Vulture is a large and heavy bird of bird species. They are carnivores that eat dead animal. For the pollution of our environment, vulture is gradually disappearing from our environment. Woodpecker, woodpecker. Woodpecker. Tailor bird, tailor bird. Tailor bird. Kiwi, kiwi. Pigeon, pigeon. Parrot, parrot. Emu, emu. Learn some facts related to birds. Emu are the second largest bird in the world after ostrich. They have strong legs and can run fast. Emus are unable to fly in the sky for their bulky body. They are only found in Australia. Myna, myna. Ostrich, ostrich. Crane, crane. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Penguin, penguin. Flamingo, flamingo. Geo, flamingo.